Probably if I have sex, I'm in a kinky mood. I just start to be a madness, so I start choke me, and then they give me like a sexual boxing that, yeah, I'm gonna say yes, daddy.
All queens think they're fierce, that's a mistake, all queens and me.
Pretty girl got her own wit. Pretty girl got her own grip. Pretty girl got her own shit. Keep her nails done, hair done.
What's up, Fierce gang? I'm Tashfierce and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hit the subscribe button and join the gang. So as you can see, I have a very special guest. Hey guys, it's your girl Sash. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at IamSash and follow me on all social media platforms. All the links is down in the description box section. So in today's video, we'll be doing a truth or dare and extreme. And people can't make this up. Oh no, wild out in my question box like extreme times 100. Oh no, wild out. No. Anyways, I had to narrow it down, and it's still a little extreme. Not gonna lie. So we can do this. Not gonna lie, like the festive queen. right. So for today's video, if you don't want to do the truth, you take a shot of the Kingston 62, and if you don't want to do the dare, you take a sip of the pumpkin syrup. Yeah. Before getting to today's video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all the good stuff. And guys, my necklace are from Wood and Water Accessory. Check them out and use code FIERCE for not 5, not 10, not 15, but 25% off. Right. Let's get into today's video. So, rock, paper, scissors, best order 3. I'm always in this in the girl. Okay, just style now. Catch my style. Alright, ready? Watch this. Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You're telling me. So I won, and I'm going to let Sash go first. Alright, so truth or dare? Oh, we no, you go first. You're supposed to ask me truth or dare. Oh, so that much just ask it? Truth or dare? Oh yeah. Oh, you want me to pick first? Yes, a truth or dare. Alright, truth. Okay, so pick a truth. I'll say it go. I'm feeling lost though. Oh guys, we did these little cute ass thingy, you know, crazy. Yeah, we got creative. Would you have a threesome? Yeah. That's a simple question. No, so truth or dare? I'm gonna go with a truth too. So you would say dare. Let's start it off easy. No. Alright. Yeah, shake out the car. What's one thing you regret? Okay, this is kind of easy. I'm not going to be cliche and be like everyone, oh, I don't believe in living in regrets and so forth and so forth. I do have something that I regret, and it's my tattoo on my pelvic. Why? I just don't like it. I don't think it is neat. Like I'm going to cover it. No, what is it? It's like a infinite art. Oh, why am I think I do one? Okay. No, I love this one. I love these two. But the one, this one, yeah, and the dog right here. But the one here, I don't like it. I wish I did not get it. Your first tattoo though? No, this is my first one. This was an impulsive decision. I went with my best friend to get a matching tattoo to do this only, and she's like, no, let's get that one too. And you fell on to do that. Impulsive decision. I don't like making. No. So. Anyways, I only have that regret at this point in my life. Alright. There. Right. But I like I pick the one from top, you know. I don't know. What? Put that old banana in your mouth. Hey, give me banana. Missed the banana. First of all, let's see the size of the banana.
It's long. This can go. Oh, that I can break it up.
Put a whole banana in, even if you have an open your throat.
Ah! I overate this stuff.
Why am I so excited?
I can't go far, so I don't know why I'm embarrassed myself on the internet.
Pantalone good internet. Stop front for the camera. Open your mouth.
Girl, I cannot open my mouth while I'm going to
Guys, Sash is doing like this.
Pick up my mouth.
Turn sideways.
Yeah. It only can reach it, so I cannot go no further.
Alright, we're gonna about right there. No, Sash. People will not like that.
It can't go so.
Sash gonna go like your mouth small in a man. Sash, your mouth don't small.
It can't go no further for true.
That's half of the banana, you know?
But half no bag, one go.
Half? Sash, me disappointed, guys. Not the festive queen.
The festive queen never said she eat banana.
Right. Make it. Make I did one apple.
Shoot
So, there.
Alright. What the day festive? An extreme.
Yours extreme?
This extreme-ish.
Sash, no. You're soft. Please, me know, because I wrote them down. I know what is on some of them and I don't. Call your ex and pretend you are having sex. Oh, this is gonna work out.
God, man,
I was just talking to him on the phone.
You don't know what can happen.
And you were just like, your phone didn't go off, you know? Jesus Christ.
You get in the mood and shit happen.
Oh, make I do that.
Yeah.
Oh my God!
I'm gonna go. Yeah, girl. Come on, call the ex.
Is that where?
I'm probably gonna know.
You knows me one video.
You like the answer?
No.
Him did not say.
He only said Tashika one time. This nigga lame. But hear me now? Oh.
And I laugh. Anyway, I laugh.
Embarrassed.
Hey, truth.
Truth are there.
Truth.
See, I'm just gonna switch and alternate from truth and theirs.
You don't know. Let's move straight there.
Yeah, there, devil. Guys, me never like the one there. That was so weird. I'm killing me. Don't
No. What's one thing you hate about each other? I hate? What I hate no about her? Just one time, we did somewhere, she did come there, and she's like, "Oh, that girl come with the papa," and I said, "Oh, that girl here." What she mean? Yeah, I never answered though, but I
did not say that though.
You don't remember? You don't remember?
I remember exactly. No, I never get drunk in my life.
You sure?
I was fully aware.
Where did you say then?
I don't remember about.
Did you say something rude?
No, I didn't say anything rude.
What did you say?
I don't remember what I.
You're not gonna remember?
No, honestly, it wasn't nothing
Alright,
rude.
so
It's like,
what-
alright, let me try to remember properly. I remember when IamSash came out with someone else.
No, the person was out there before me.
Probably said like, where she come out for or something like that.
Yeah, they said something. I said, what the she mean? They come with me there in my space. So what are you saying? So,
Oh, that place not even mentioned on this.
yeah, that's why I just said it like that.
Truth are there. Oh, that's it.
Yeah. Oh, you would tell me.
No,
That's about each other.
About each other. Guys, I don't dislike anything about Sash. I don't know Sash long enough to dislike anything. For what I know so far, I like everything about Sash.
Alright, so choose her there.
There again.
A bad bitch. Her.
Bad girl is man. You deaf? I said no.
No.
Bad girl him like you deaf? Something like so.
Is it you? You
Impersonate a YouTuber.
Alright.
Let's throw away these ones so don't make them get mixed up. I don't want to do the same one because it's just so easy to impersonate.
Right?
Who else I can do? Hey guys, Gypsy the Pixie met the man them tipsy, period. Period.
You know,
Yeah.
each other.
She don't say that fast, man.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's me, Gypsy the Pixie met the man them tipsy, period.
Yeah, so she said it. She
Right.
She say it fast.
So truth or dare?
So there.
We get them mixed up. Huh?
No, they're not mixed up.
The sticky look and nasty, guys.
Nasty.
Just as flap with show, embarrassing.
I wouldn't get it from this side. What? No, make it take a shot.
What is it?
It's about the other person's fingernail.
The other person?
Yeah. That's
Ew!
What the color? Oh,
I
it's
got
a deer. Oh.
Yes, a deer. Take a shot of the ew. You pull it like a shot, you know.
The fuck? I'm gonna be sick.
Sash said, ew! The girl don't want back me. Guys, come in at my fingernail. Sash don't want back me.
Them dirty, but nice. Want a cake. But no offense, guys. You know, she go fix up face and all these things. But you know, when you're female and you do makeup and it's stuck on the fingernail, you know, not too deep. Yeah. Lord. Jesus, guys. Oh, my God, take this.
Yeah, oh, me gonna take this.
Your turn. Choose her there.
Okay, give me a truth this time. Oh.
I want to choose now.
Go way down from the bottom. Why this so long?
Read it out.
Oh, I need to get
this. Read it, girl.
Who is the one YouTuber you would never do a collab with again? Where's the shot?
Take a shot, sis.
You know I'm happy to take the shot.
Right.
It's the drama for me. Where me out the myself stuff, guys?
Yeah, come jump, man.
Truth or dare?
Truth.
Truth, girl?
Yeah, girl.
Eat this to me.
Them are donuts.
Don't. Oop.
It's who? It's who? What? Running on and then send them here.
No, they sent some worse one. I'm like, This is a.
Would you smash Chad? Chad cute and whatever, but nah.
It's the thinking for me. It's the thinking for me.
Cause I know my team but like a real smash and pass YouTube video. I mean, I say if it was a YouTube video, it should have said smash cause Chad nice. But in a real life, no. But Chad nice, you know, Chad. I love how Chad treat like his mother and Drew and everything, but I never thought about it like that. Like, you touch us, man. Go mix me. Anyways, come smash.
They're not a smash.
It's a smash
People in your arm. You're getting warm.
Right.
I'm gonna do it there. Please not no fool. What the hell?
going for the egg.
I'm not doing it. Swallow egg yolk. Such not the egg are placed that people.
I have egg, she just don't want to do it.
What?
Try it, no? You never know what it would say.
Ew!
You sure you don't want to try it? Like just open, crack the egg in your mouth and try it.
Put it in a cup.
Put it in a cup?
The yolk is the yellow part, right?
Yeah, but I'm gonna give it all right now. I just spoon out a part of the yolk and just taste it.
And that can be like it? Like tasting it?
Yeah.
Alright.
But you have to swallow it, you know. Alright.
Take one for the team, for the first gang. Why me I get the worst one then?
So, the egg.
You need to separate the white from the yolk.
No, you can just take it out. Enjoy.
It's good for your skin, it's good for your body, it's good for your hair.
Good for your throat.
Oh my god.
So gross, guys. Like, I would never, would you know, back. I'm not taste that. Taste it, girl. Remember, I have to swallow it. Can I lick it off now? Look it from the bottom, boo. Oh! Oh, it is. Is that that? It looks like it was melt. Okay.
You try deer. I need not have to shoot her deer.
What's that? Bad, me like take a deer.
Not ask.
But I did do my banana deer though.
You did not.
I did it. I put it where it could reach. That's where it could reach.
We didn't want to see that touch right here. So.
No, I'm not the saliva for that right now. Post that you need a girlfriend on your IG story. Sure. Fuck, I'm gonna give them a selfie too.
It's the selfie too for me.
No cap. No cap. Me have to text it, I can say it.
Anyone? Whoa, say it. You bold.
Hey guys, I want a girlfriend, so if you're interested, hit me up, okay?
Guys, you know when you try to spike someone,
and I'm gonna post it.
Hey guys, I want a girlfriend, so if you're interested.
let's see you post it. And guys, at the end of the video, I'm going to screenshot it so you can see how long it's been out.
And say, oh damn.
Here was Auntie who DM me.
I don't know. Shoes are there.
Truth.
Alright. Think you're not gonna say there.
I want to dare me choose so far. Like my boy.
That long man.
What is something scandalous and sex related that you want to try? Scandalous.
Scandalous? I'm not scandalous.
But something sex related that I would like to try. Maybe a threesome or a facial.
Oh.
Nothing big. It's no baby steps.
Yeah.
Before we can be a throat baby, like,
Right.
we have baby steps.
Right.
Right,
Not
this
too bad. At least
right,
you have
this
things
one.
in mind. That's a good thing.
Right, this one.
Shoot. That is Facebook song. Just the one there though.
And also there were more truths than there overall.
Is it true that you like girls? Yes, sweetheart. I like girls.
Yeah, yes, sweetheart. Okay.
Shoes are there.
There.
Alright.
Pick for me.
Me for pick there? Alright.
I read it out.
Festive. Show the last screenshot in your phone.
Please don't know nothing bad. Shano, please. Oh, why?
Screenshot.
This is a screenshot. No, look. When a screen
accident.
shot.
No man, an accident.
Okay, this is the last screenshot then.
Oh, she got an email.
I look the scam email from Grace guy.
Is that scam email?
Them a prank Anyway, choose right here.
There. You choose. See if you have a look. I never get nothing hard, you know.
Me not get nothing hard.
I never get nothing hard.
Such me get them harder than you.
Let me see what it says. What is it? Read it. Read it, man.
Eat a teaspoon of pepper.
Teaspoon of pepper?
Yeah.
When I bring this something there? Alright.
Because this spoon is small.
Make sure you carry pepper while doing it, so it's not in the left. But don't even eat pepper.
So all your pepper done?
I don't mind pepper, I'm a house-made pepper.
Housemate, if you're watching this,
I'm not doing nothing.
it's so cool that he's a guy, like females are. Oh!
You hear that? It's that much on inside.
She needs some milk.
He needs some milk.
No. If you know me from my channel, you know me. See, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm gonna
No man, for this, I forgot to do a deer.
And
I forgot to do a deer. That's so much left. List your X from worst to best. You guys only have 2 X. The last one was the best. The first one is the worst. That's
the
it.
first one is the worst.
That's all. One of
I
my
feel like true. Your last one, are you still foolish?
No man, like the whole relationship.
Oh,
We're talking money wise. That's the first one was the best.
right.
Oh, you're doing true, dear.
No, man, me take a chip. But just do an epic, dear man.
That was epic.
Right now, my feel sick, guys.
That was like.
Yeah, man.
I wonder if the girl is like a pass out.
What turns you on physically? Choke. Yeah, I like getting choked.
Right, that's a sash. Right,
Right.
that's the neck.
Yeah, you know the spot.
Right there. So.
Alright, right, true. Yeah.
Guys,
Right there.
which one have been on? Anything I've been like
there.
I didn't have been on.
No, true.
Okay. I just finished the
You could
truth.
say the there.
Well, finish the truth.
You're traumatized me now.
Say you are both into girls. Would you have sex with the other person?
Answer for it.
Not ask twice, not ask twice. Guys, but that's how she is right now, you know.
Anything
So,
I'm just
at the end of the day, we are big people.
Okay, true.
Right, this truth or dare?
There.
Love that for you.
Why am I eat this to myself? Why this just jump? No one
I eat them with that man.
Probably not.
Don't you remember what's on some of them? But some of them wild. I mean, no, I don't want one of them for a fuck.
I know you're tell your boyfriend, are you?
But
Anybody? Well,
you know, I'm put on my neck. Can you come brace?
okay, different camera.
Yes, I can. Right here, so.
Oh, alright. Give the. This is so funny.
It's sweaty. It's a wipes.
Alright, give the next player a icky.
Guys, the last time I did truth or dare, I got a icky twice. One I was like get icky, I hate icky, you know?
Come girl.
Like I like getting it, but Sash, me have sex for a long while, you know, Sash. What you have to do? Sash, you sure you want to do this right now?
Yeah, man, alright. I'm not getting a big one. This is mad weird. But I'm not drinking that. Come.
I feel like I'm here getting touched.
Stop it. Get some help.
See, I don't even have to stop long.
There.
Alright.
Me stress out. Me stress out, people. What
What's that?
Twerk for 20 seconds.
Come on. You play one. No. The song. I will put this on.
20 seconds, probably not. I'm gonna come at twerk regardless.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, fiery.
It's a copyright for me.
You know, offer chop it up. Say good.
Anyways, truth or dare?
True. Have you ever gotten your kitty eaten with ear on it? I'm gonna tell you. I personally don't like ear. So for me that's a big no. But one time my partner wanted to, she wanted to eat a kitty with it. But it wasn't a lot. It's like when they just get in that ear just coming out. But me like it ball and like smooth like baby bottom, you know?
With the wax?
Well, wax sometimes.
Sometimes.
If my don't wax me with the near powder.
Oh,
So
I've
it
never
take
tried
it
that,
off.
you know?
Yeah, so it takes it off clean. So it wasn't much ear, but see. She enjoyed it though, she did a chat from.
I said, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pick a truth. Sasha should belch
What do my kids see when they see these videos?
Sasha should belch after. Oh, we eat that. Name or give the.
What is that?
Name or give the initial of the person that gave the best sex.
That no man. Let's see if I can guess it. You never know.
Initial, I can give like the first initial of their first name.
No, pick first and last.
We can't do that.
You think the first and last initial?
Yes, like that's about too much.
No man, initial come on girl. You know how much people have SW initial?
Girl, my mother name SW.
But enough people X name SW too.
Trust me, we can't do it. We can't give the first and last.
Alright, give the first.
It cut this cut. Name or give the initial of the person that gave the best sex. The first started C. Stop laugh, girl. People are going to scandal you.
Next, you ask me for truth that day.
Me eat this song. Me eat the game here. Me eat this. Truth or dare?
Truth.
Sasha, just because
So we have finished the truth then.
Alright.
The best thing you have ever done for love.
Aww.
It wasn't for love. But sometimes I wonder why I did that. I did take my money by the person and crazy.
Oh, the color one?
It was like $450 US. Yeah. I don't have a problem. Once I'm well taken care of, I don't have a problem to spend my money.
Reciprocate the energy.
Yeah. I'm one of the cheap things.
Period.
Big or nothing.
Right. So either go home.
Alright. But when I
We
look
love
back
independent
on it,
girls.
man,
You never
say,
deserve it.
you don't deserve certain things. Like, you know, if you give bare minimal and get certain things. If you push away, like,
Then supposed to
if
push
you
more.
can buy me a car, I'm gonna buy something expensive.
Right.
Like, yeah, that's how the energy I'm depend. But,
Me like Sasha.
you know, I'm not regret it really. But, you know, when I just look back on it,
Kinda
I
dummy.
say, could I use a $400 do something and buy one $10,000 perfume kind of vibe? But, yeah.
Maybe pick a truth because we'll finish the truth.
And then we'll have their reaction.
Please, no, please, nothing scandalous. What?
Oh, yes, awesome.
I need to guys. No, so all my ones are stars. What's your body count?
So the people know I take a shot, sis.
Pull a girl like neck ball. What the cup there? Sasha do a cleaning for me.
Don't, right?
Sasha, you not take no shot, you know. Why me get the worst one them? Jesus Christ.
The pepper did the job.
Sasha, me get the worst one them. Guys, I'm hungry. Sasha have me here and she don't feed me. I'm there from morning, no
She
people.
come and even offer juice and she said, oh, not yet.
I'm there from people.
She said, I'm not. Do you have a boyfriend? What's the question?
That's so. Why is Sasha get the easy one them?
Because I'm lucky, boo. If I have a boyfriend, no, I don't have a boyfriend. It's been a while.
We're gonna finish the truth, people. Have you ever gotten a sexual feeling for any YouTuber you have collab with?
But you know, so it's the fact that people are DM me.
Me hear the ping.
Yeah.
At line bling.
Another video.
Oh!
I'm gonna delete it.
I can't delete until the video finish.
Alright.
Have you ever gotten sexual feeling for any YouTuber you have collabed with? Yes. Initials. Let me scandal myself. Next, moving on. Do the last truth.
Alright.
No.
Go watch back them video. Go and watch back the video them guys and do any mini anymore. You never know. What are your top 3 turn on? Okay.
Let's get the easy ones.
So good perfume. Once you have a really good perfume, good men perfume. You know what I mean perfume? Alright.
Million is a man.
Million is a man perfume, yeah.
Versace.
Versace and them.
I have Versace, but I have the pink one and the gold one.
Oh no, I have the blue. I love the blue. So when you have a good perfume and that give me a buzz, not really say turn on, but you know, it mama said, damn,
True,
man,
yeah.
smell real good.
You just want
Uggy
Uggy.
man stuff. And then the next one
Men
is
invest in cologne.
choke. So like, you just push me against someone and choke me.
Right, that's
you
a
know,
sash.
done deal. The next one is, I like slaps and grips. So if you like slap my ass and just grip it, like.
So I'm gonna slap in the face.
No, I'm not them. Like if I have sex, I'm in a kinky mood. I just start to be a madness, so I start choke me, and then they give me like a sexual boxing that. Yeah, well, I'm gonna say yes, daddy.
Stop it. Get some help.
But
Sasha festivity?
yeah,
Sasha was a period. So we're on to the dares.
Sorry.
God, please, 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 please. Smell the other player's armpit.
Why that's this? I'm from my business.
Come on,
It
no matter.
smell like.
Don't you roll deodorant? Them full. No.
It smell like sweat and
Smell like your deodorant. Smell like suave.
sweat and roll on.
Suave?
No, I agree, but I don't want it like perfume, like.
Smell like suave.
Yeah. Bark like a dog.
Eat this stuff.
Yeah. Bark like a dog.
Guys, come on, come on.
Let's say never say walk like a dog. That would be embarrassing. You're so good, girl. Let me eat that for you, so.
I eat this for we.
For you.
I dare y'all to kiss. Woo! Let's bring a pretty face come.
The mother scandal.
Scandal! That's if not leave it in.
Yeah, right?
Right. You probably not see that, but you know it happened.
You never know. Send a sexy pic to your mom. I regular thing this. Ask her if she like how my body look. Regular. Oh my god, send her. Take a look at me.
Am I right? Like this. With the not the tongue emoji.
Remember the cool so.
Remember the cool, me not saying Me told them I to call pan and I don't want to call nobody. Come take the other one.
It's what I'm
I
saying.
pull it same time. Ready?
Why you so long? You go
Call a friend and tell them that you have feelings for them.
Call your mother and tell her you are pregnant.
Thank God, me never get the one there.
I go first. What? My mother not believe this. That's the thing.
Call a friend and tell them you have feelings for them. Who should I call? Who want to call? None of friend them not gonna believe that shit. Ooh, me can call. Me call Gypsy.
Yeah.
But Gypsy not gonna believe.
She gonna feel like it's a prank.
Gypsy not gonna believe.
You never know.
Yes, ma'am.
They answer the phone so strong.
Because I feel like saying the prank me want.
Wow, wow, Gypsy. You well want somebody prank you down?
What happened?
Why you never answer my live?
Because I looked ugly?
Me feel a way.
Whatever it is.
I feel a way about it.
I'll leave me alone.
Girl, you know me like you just always do something with just.
Yes, ma'am. And I know that you're with Sash. I was watching your live.
Guys, I feel me away from
She's
Gypsy.
not by that.
Yes, who else me can call?
Alright, Gypsy.
Feel me away from Gypsy. Who me can call? I don't.
But you do it though.
Yeah, I did it. So Sash, call your mom now.
Hey mom. So you know, I have something to tell you.
We still found out that. Make it believable, Sash. Come, the last thing for the video.
My mother not gonna believe my mother.
Yeah, but she don't know what I do otherwise.
My mother not really close.
No, tell her saying, but tell her about it. And no, we didn't feel
My
away
son have a
from
one
it.
night stand. Mommy.
Okay.
Hello? Mommy,
It's okay.
you busy right now? I can talk to you about something important.
You can talk to me.
So, I found out something. So, I don't understand and I think I'm pregnant.
Wait there. Where is it? I'm putting the earphone. I'm kidding, I'm correct. Yeah, where is it? Am I not?
Yes, mommy.
Where is it?
So, I had a one night stand and I think I'm pregnant.
That can't happen because you don't have no one night stand.
She not buy that. Alright, what's up?
Just with your daughter.
Because I don't know me.
I love that for her.
Let's I love you.
Your mommy name Kim.
I love you too, baby.
Aww.
You know what you got my child. You don't have one man over here now.
Her!
You have one night stand. Somebody that don't know you.
Alright.
I love this for her. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had fun recording. Even though Sash don't drink all now and I didn't take the syrup.
So, it's even.
Yes, and wow, please guys, those $10.
1 hour?
Yes, never got. You know me, I post 1 hour video.
Then I go watch it.
Wow, y'all said extreme. I said extreme truth are there. You got an extreme truth idea. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember to go over the. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember to go over to Sash's channel. Link will be in the description. Subscribe and spam her up. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.